Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what currencies Remitly supports. Remitly is a digital remittance service that allows people to send and receive money internationally. It supports a wide range of currencies, allowing you to send money to and from many different countries. When you use Remitly, you can send money in a number of currencies, including major ones like the US dollar, euro, British pound, and Canadian dollar. The specific currencies available to you will depend on the country you are sending from and the country you are sending to. For example, if you are sending money from the United States, you can send it in US dollars and the recipient can receive it in their local currency, such as Mexican pesos, Indian rupees, or Philippine pesos. Remitly's website and app will show you the exact exchange rate and any fees before you complete your transfer. This ensures that you know exactly how much your recipient will get. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.